What's up guys, it's your boys NightJoy29 and we have a brand new game to play. And this game is all about tornadoes. Yep, tornadoes bro. I know you guys know that game. It's not Heli City or Twisted. It's just tornadoes. Or just T. JT, 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 JT. W2 paper 2 off because this is a good game. La boo la boo. Oh, what the heck? What should we pick? Tornado intercept vehicles. I'll just pick around Dominators. Yeah, I'll pick Dominator too. Wow! Slow there, Slowpoke. Better slow down. Or I'll fail you, my rats. We have an EF0, bro. We got an EF0. So, white is EF0, green is EF1, yellow is EF2, orange is EF3, red is EF4, and purple is EF5. But if it's EF5, there's gonna be a siren. So, let's just go to that tornado. I forgot. Yo, they have an EF2. Let's go. Bro, I don't even care about those hay bales, bro. Oh my god, this is so bumpy. I don't even think EF0 can't even do anything to a Dominator 2, yeah. And I don't know, we can just stop right here. I mean, I want to go to the EF2. I don't even want to go to that EF0 shit. Okay. Placing Orgulaf probe. Oh my god, 69 mph. Oh my god, we're at the core of this thing. Oh, it's floating. Oh no, I forgot to deploy. I mean, there's no time to deploy, but yeah. Oh my god, I'm so lost. My vehicle got tripped. I'm going. I need to deploy next to this thing. Okay, I'm successfully deployed. Tornado is literally not. Oh my god, you're not. Okay, we're back. No, just go with a Tiv 2. I'm starting to like Tiv 2. But the only problem is so long to deploy. 22 seconds. Sean Case, you better upgrade that if you want to go back at Storm Chasing. I don't even know if he's gonna go back. Should I go with them? Guys, I have something to tell you. Why does Red Teamer looks like Malcolm? That movie? Why does it look like Malcolm? No. Like when it was like around 2000s, when a picture of him is like blur, he looks like Malcolm, bro. But if it's not blur, it's literally his face. I mean, it's literally normal. But it is if it's like videotape thing, like filter, that's like Malcolm. Oh my God! Holy crash, bro! Holy crash! Come on, boy! Bro, let me check something. What the frick is that big pigeon doing over there? Look! What the heck? Is this a troll? We got the Dominator 4. What the heck? What's Dominator 4 doing? I'm going straight. We're at Panfei. What the heck? That's so weird. I thought we were at the sewer thing. I thought we were at the sewer. What are you guys doing? We're currently at the Panfei, so we're kind of very near because on the very top is where the tornadoes. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you a clip of a tornado's gonna spawn. Look at this turret. Getting something. EF2, so we're gonna go there. Okay, let's go. We got a call. Oh my shit. Bruh. Come on. Okay, we're going. What the heck? EF3, we got an EF3, so I wonder where's that. I think that's the one over there. Yeah, we could just skip that EF2, bro. Rather go check that EF3 out. Grapple readings, 3 tornadoes. Frick. There's 3 tornadoes active right now. Why can't I see it? Okay, it's over there. So, okay. Come on, stop. I'm gonna deploy. Regular probe. Oh my God. 4 tornadoes? Wait, what? Oh my God, another EF3. Oh my God, I'm not deploying. I'm not deployed yet. Okay, I'm successfully deployed. What? 144? Let's just grab that probe. What the heck? Oh. save. So we're gonna go head straight for the other EF3. EF0, EF0. I want like an EF5. Like, oh my god, I don't even want to say that kind of tornado. The tornado that killed Twistex. Rest in peace of them, by the way. What the no, go here, go here. Yup, it's the tornado. It's the tornado. I can't see it. Oh my god, that was kind of big. Oh, oh, we're gonna deploy right over here, right over here. Oh my god. I haven't even deployed yet. Bruh. There's so many. What the heck? There's an EF4. I gotta go head straight for that EF4. I'm gonna make a part 2. Don't worry guys. Because I have to make a part 2 for the EF4 catching. So yeah.